My name is Henry from GI Technology. Currently, we are inside Ashanti, specifically in Ejisu municipality. We are inside Bone Ray. We did our electric fence for this beautiful house, and I want to show you, take you through how everything looks very clean and very nice, all the way from Accra to just come and finish up this beautiful project. The client complained of some guys coming around to remove their electrical wires and cables and everything. Now we are here to stop that, and that's basically what we do for our customers. After we finish everything, trust me, not even lizard or any creeping animal will be spared, because we use the right materials, and then also we don't cut corners, we don't compromise on quality. So I'm going to show you how everything looks, so stay tuned. Okay.